Hey Alex, just wanted to show you this real quick. Okay, so when hit play, this is what it does. It rotates the camera in a pawn. I set up a main menu game mode, and I set the default pawn to a pawn rotate camera. Stop on that. Come in here. So all the pawn is, it's based upon the pawn class. I added a central, I added an arrow component, and I called it center point. It's that red mark right there, so you can always tell where the center is when you're moving the object around in the world. I made a spring arm and I attached the camera to the spring arm. In this case, the spring arm is set to 1500. In the event graph, begin play kicks off a timeline that I named orbit camera, which sets the relative rotation of the spring arm. I get the existing roll and pitch, plug those back in, and then I get a value called rotation and plug it in the yaw. When it's finished, it calls rotated camera again, which then feeds back in play to start. The timeline itself, it goes from 0 to 10, 360 for 360 degrees over 10 seconds. And then you set right here the length to 10. To add a float track, you just click here, add float, and then I called it rotation. Hope that helps. Yeah, one more time, the play. Just sets it up to rotate around. And one other thing, so the pawn, you select it in the world, and then you set to auto possess player, player 0. Hope that helps.